Hi. So this Sunday, I'm going to be starting a self-care workshop. It's going to be a continuation of my study. So those of you who were in my study, which was exploring our relationship with food using our directives, we're now going to take that and move into the self-care part of that. So it's going to be the same thing, 7 hour directives, 1 hour a week. It's going to be online. You can do independent study. You can do groups. I think I'm going to offer a Sunday afternoon. Well, I'm in California, so it'll be Pacific Standard Time. I'm going to do a Monday evening and a Wednesday evening. If none of those times work for you, we can do the independent study option where I send you weekly videos and then you will do the art on your own time. So there will be a $25 donation. But if you're having trouble with that amount, I can work with you on that. That's no big deal. So those of you who have done my study, I think you would really benefit from moving forward. So I definitely would be willing to work with you on that. And those of you who haven't been part of my study, you can join this workshop as well. It is open to anyone, and you can live anywhere in the world. And yeah, and yeah, I think it's exciting. So yeah, February 18th, that's a Sunday. That's when it will start. And you can find more information about it on my website, which is loveeatcreate, all one word, .org. And I'll also leave that link in the description. So yeah, just reach out to me. Let me know if you are interested, and then I will send you all the information that you need in order to sign up. So thank you very much to all of you, and I'm looking forward to seeing all of you virtually. Okay, bye.